The brake system for automatic doors cannot prevent forced entry. Door slides open with a hard push. Automatic door system needs to work with access control for security. GK1900 Electric Strike for use with sliding hook lock. Electric strike is installed into sliding door frame. When door is closed, hook bolt engages strike keeper. Latch monitoring. When door is open, strike keeper releases. GK1900 has 500 pounds preload and built-in resistance capability. Go to GM website for more details.